We are not asking for anybody's land. I have said it here and it's on record. We will give you all the oil and gas you need for free. We don't need oil and gas. We just want to be free. We don't, we're not, heaven will bear me witness. We are not lazy people. We don't need oil and gas for anything. They can take all the oil and gas that they need. I am a believer in inward investment because I read economics. I know what inward investment will mean. So countries will come to Biafra land to invest and to start their factories and their manufacturing base. Their, research and development will be there as well. I know what we are. Please, we are not daft. Anybody saying we are not supporting Biafra because we don't know what we are going to get is because you're a fool. We are the foremost capitalists. We believe in private ownership of property. We can never be communists in our lives. It's impossible. We are die-in-the-wood capitalists. So what is your problem? Why won't you let us be? Oh, you are afraid that we will, put a lie to the fact that black people are idiots and can never do anything for themselves. The reason why David Cameron is afraid of Biafra is because they think that if Biafra comes, they won't be feeling big anymore about themselves, immigration. Give us Biafra, you won't have immigration problem anymore. Bring them to Biafra, we'll take them. Everybody. That's how confident we are. I said, Biafra comes, you won't have immigration problem in your life again. Bring everybody to us, we'll take them. Because Biafra will be built in a way that no other African country can ever match up, forever and ever. That foundation, we are laying it now. Where? In your brain. By showing you how to think. To be self-critical. Never feel sorry for yourself. Rise up and keep going. That's how you succeed. As long as you're whiter than white and whiter than snow, of course, that helps too. It does help as we are here. Because we are not going to retreat. We are not going to surrender Biafra or death. It's either we get Biafra or we are dead. So don't worry. We know what we're doing. Either we get Biafra or we die getting Biafra. There is no other way. There is no third option. There is no third way. That is why we are impatient. You people are the ones holding us. That we have not marched is because we don't have enough weapons. You are the ones stopping us, and the zoo will fall.